and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will discuss about the quick access toolbar. So quick access toolbar is this one which is placed on the top. So it has few commands already. So the first one is previous page. So if you click this, it will take you to the previous page, next page, redo, undo, all these options, and then close project. So let's see few more options related to it, and then we will also see how you can customize this particular quick access toolbar. So basically this quick access toolbar helps us to quickly access the commands which we use very often in our project. So instead of searching where that particular command is inside the ribbon bar or in the search option, we can also customize our quick access toolbar so that we can easily access those commands. So here I will go to this drop down menu. The first thing that we will see here is show below the ribbon. So if I click this, now you will see the quick access commands are just below the ribbon bar. So again, if I need this to be back on the top, I can choose show above the ribbon. So based on your requirement, you can place it wherever you want. Now let's go back to the drop down menu and I choose here further commands. And now these were the commands which were already available at the quick access. Now let's add few more commands. Like for example, I would like to add backup of project, and I will also like to have call up settings. Close project is already there. Maybe let's have delete project. And if sometimes we need help, let's also have the help related menu also available at the quick access, and then we can reorder it. Like for example, display help I would like to bring it to the bottom, and then followed by delete project, call up settings. So like this I can reorder the position of those icons in the quick access toolbar. Now if I click OK, you will see that it has got increased. Now the icons are increased. Now if for example I need to open the settings, I can simply click here, and this will help me open the settings directly. So instead of searching any path, I can just call up the settings window from here. So that's how we can easily customize the quick access toolbar. Then there is one more option, minimize the ribbon. So if I click this, now you can see the ribbon is no more available here, or it has got minimized, so that you have more area for working on your circuits or schematics. Now let's bring it back. Just click again and it is gone. Thank you.